Okay, alright, quickly welcome to this video. I want to show you how you can upload your product on Selar to affiliate like platform. Assuming you have a product, a digital product, and you want affiliate to see your product in affiliate network platform. So this video is the step-by-step tutorial that I'm going to take you through the process. So the first thing that you need to do, you need to come to your Chrome. Once you come to your Chrome, you search on selar.com. so you need to come to these three dots if your phone is not in desktop side, so that you can see what you are doing well. Then you come down to this desktop side. As you can see, my own is on desktop side. So the first thing that you need to do, you need to scroll down. Once you scroll down to this affiliate network. So after you have scrolled down to that affiliate network, you just scroll, you go down. So once you go scroll down, you come to this help desk and guideline. You click there and you wait for it to load. After it has loaded, everything will come out like this. So once it comes out, you click on this checklist for product listing on the affiliate network. So you just go ahead and click on it. Then you go through this process, checklist for product listing on the affiliate network. To ensure that your product meets the standard for the Selar affiliate network, the following criteria must be met. You understand? So this is just the process to show you the criteria that you need to meet, so in order for you to upload your product on an affiliate platform. So that's how the process works. The first one is clear product images. So you need to have a clear clear product image. This is to ensure that your product has high quality and clear images that showcase its feature effectively. So the second option is clear product description. So you just need to follow up and read it. So if you don't meet the terms, or if you don't meet this guideline, so you just need to give up on it. So what you need to do, you need to come to your Selar. I need to remove this one. You come to your Selar, then you click on login. Click on login to log in your Selar account. Okay, I'm there already. So on your own, it will show for you to put your email and your password. Then you know the process already. To follow up, you click on this dot, then you zoom it. You come to this product, you click on all products. You see, okay, here is the product that I want to upload to affiliate platform. So you click on these three dots here. You click on these three dots. Once you click on this three dot, you come to publish to affiliate network. Have you seen here? Click on publish to affiliate network. Wait for it to load. You just need to follow me up closely. So any pounds and dollar blueprints, affiliate network settings. Have you seen? Always ensure your product meet the required standard for listing on the Selar affiliate network. So this is just the process. So the first thing that you set your desired affiliate commission for your product on the affiliate network. So the category is marketing and sales. The subcategory is you just need to put this category to know what your product is all about. So that is it. So my product is all about let me just check. Entertainment, no. Book, no. This is a digital course, so just marketing and sales. Let me just go to that one. Sales and marketing funnels. Affiliate marketing. I go for this affiliate marketing. Copyright and advertising. Affiliate marketing. Sales and marketing. Shouldn't be sales and marketing. I'll go for this affiliate marketing. So that is it. So I'll need to explain this process to you. Requires for you to use this feature, you need to subscribe to a pro plan. You need to subscribe to Selar Pro plan or this 2-bar plan. So that is just the process. So after that, you can give access to sell pages alongside the product on affiliate network, and so you just need to, for you to give access to it, give access to sell page. So you just need to give access to the sell page. Then you come here and put your commission. I always like going for 50% commission. So unleash product from affiliate network. So that's not what we are going to show. What we are going to click on is this show product sales count in affiliate network slash marketplace. Just need to click here. After you click here, you click on publish. Once you click on publish, everything will be, have you seen, they say processing, your applicant is pending. Have you seen, your application is pending? Have you seen? So this is just the process. They say processing, your application is pending. So we typically take 48 to 72 hours to review products. You will receive an email once your product is approved. This is just the process for you to follow up. So just follow up and implement. Thank you for watching this video.